At some point, some of us probably wanted or still want a Mercedes-Benz in our garage. Well, I do at least. Now these days, the most affordable way to do that is with the A-Class hatchback, but what if you want something a little bit taller? Well, there's this, the GLA 200 AMG. Now this is the second generation GLA and it's totally new. So you get a new pair of headlights, some panels are reshaped, and the body itself grew by several inches. Now, as I mentioned, this is the AMG line, so you get some sporting bits along the way. So you get a deeper front apron, you get larger faux corner air intakes, you get side skirts, some tweaks to the rear bumper, and these 19-inch AMG alloy wheels. As for the rest of it, well, you get LED headlights standard and a tailgate spoiler as well, and one very interesting safety feature. Now, Mercedes-Benz calls it the active bonnet. Now, what happens here is if, knock on wood, you end up knocking a jaywalker, this bit of the hood pops up to prevent further injury. And, well, since we're outside anyway, we might as well take a look at what's under the hood. Okay, so it may say 200 on the tailgate, but it's actually powered by a 1.3-liter engine. Now, horsepower is rated at 162 and torque at 250 Newton meters. The transmission is a 7-speed dual clutch and power is sent to the front wheels. Now this is a Mercedes-Benz, so of course you're surrounded by very solid feeling materials. But before I get carried away, what's in it? Now, I have two screens staring right in front of me. Now, right in front of me is the instrument cluster, and like most digital screens, you can change what's displayed in front of you. It's also very highly customizable. Now, for the other screen, that is your infotainment system featuring Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX software. Now, if you dig in a little deeper in the MBUX software, you'll see that there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And to control it, you can use the touchpad, or you can summon it by simply saying, "Hey Mercedes."
How can I help?
Now, "Hey Mercedes" is basically your voice command system, and you can control things such as the climate control, the audio system and whatnot, and you can even use it to help you with the navigation system. And I say that's actually pretty neat stuff, and that brings a whole new level to your usual voice command system. Other features, well, it has Tempomat, which is actually just Ben speak for cruise control. It also has keyless go, microfiber seats, and memory seats for the driver's side. Now, of course, Mercedes-Benz prides itself in safety if you haven't seen it earlier. Now, this also comes with something called Attention Assist. Now, what it does is remind the driver to take a break once in a while during a long trip. Now, other safety features, well, you have a host of airbags, and you even have one for your knees. And of course, traction and stability control are standard. This is a Mercedes-Benz after all. So that's the GLA 200 AMG in a nutshell. Interested? Well, why not visit your nearest Mercedes-Benz dealership and take a closer look for yourself. Now, how much does it go for? Well, it retails for 3,390,000 pesos, making this the most affordable Mercedes-Benz crossover you can get today. Now, this has been Anton Andres from AutoIndustriya.com. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and while you're at it, might as well like us on Facebook too, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.